Hello everybody, so we're gonna take my new boat out on the lake here out on Francois. Pretty excited, just gotta load everything up. Well, here goes the first dunk of the new to me boat. Gonna unload it into Francois Lake here. Alright, ladies and gents, got my captain hat on here. Woo! Setting sail for the first time. Big bad Francois. The motors, they weren't cooling properly. I suspect that's why the guy wanted to sell the thing so cheap, but I took apart some of the plumbing for the impellers and all the lines are just plugged up, and shoved the wires through them, and bam, we're ready to rock and roll. Everything's running good. Fish on!
Woo! I got all brand new shit here. Speaking of which, if you want to a couple things I'm selling. I just bought a new mixer. My old one works fine, but I'm getting back to.
Okay, gotta put. Well, we lost her at the boat. I guess we'll have to go for another one
I
here.
also have the fucking pads there where it's silent. You know what I mean? Where it doesn't. You know, the mesh ones or the real ones.
Alright folks, all in all, it's a pretty good day. Matt let one go, but I'll forgive him this time. Just heading back to dock up. Well, today was a goddamn success. This beauty pissed on us. It was windy, it was cold, and we were comfortable in the cab. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the boat. I expected a few little glitches and things to be going on with it, but it ran smoother than I expected. Other than the cooling thing happening. When I first fired them up. When I fired them up in Fort St. John, I noticed the one was the one motor wasn't really producing a lot of water out of the piss hole, and so I suspected something was going on. Also, the guy sent me with a couple of new thermostats and water pumps, so I'm guessing he thought that they were shot. But turns out that they were just blocked up with some salt and corrosion. So it was pretty easy to fix that, and just took some of the plumbing apart and cleaned them up, blew through the lines, and everything was merry. Unfortunately, we didn't catch any fish. We did hook up on one, maybe two. I broke off on something. My line was quite twisted up. Tomorrow we're gonna go for it again on another lake, I think. Hopefully we get into some fish and some more good footage. Thanks for watching.